Okay, you guys, so we just got out of the golf cart and we're about to head into our latest villa, which is absolutely breathtaking. I'll show you outside in a few seconds, but we have, aww, happy birthday, Annalie Rose. That's so sweet. That is the sweetest. And Annalie Rose has her deck leading out to our own private beach area, which is amazing. Here's their incredible bathroom for kids. Can you imagine, with a sunken tub and an outdoor shower? Again, amazing. And then we have our own little kitchen area with our refrigerator. And we can't forget, check out what's below our feet. Can you imagine waking up to this every single night? It's pretty awesome. Thank you for the champagne / Prosecco and macaroons. I love it. And then here's the master suite. Again, with a sunken tub, with a shower. But check out this view. And it wouldn't be complete without that jacuzzi there. We're gonna take a step outside. Thank you, Hussein. Is this not fantastic? I'm in absolute heaven. This is our private pool, our private beach with our private jacuzzi over there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am truly, truly blessed beyond measure, and I'm super thankful.